Chancellor did signal that we were in for some tax increases here. I guess we didn't realise the scale of it. However, on the other side of it, there's a constant reinforcement. Again, Rachel Reeves stood up and talked about the industrial strategy. She actually called out Make UK in her speech about the support we've been providing to government to get that industrial strategy up and running. It's a 10-year commitment by this government, and it's absolutely what we've been calling for. And flowing from that are all the other commitments that they are making to investment in the sector. So I think that's really, really positive, and that's something that we really should be celebrating effectively. That's important. The other announcement they did make, Nick, is the one about the corporate tax roadmap. The tax roadmap is also important because that gives you an idea of where we are heading and what happens to things like R&D tax credits. And actually putting that down on a piece of paper and sharing that with businesses gives them a much clearer overview of the future and what to expect. So we're not in this situation we are at the moment where we see this as largely a surprise, even though it's been trailed for the last couple of weeks. So that was also quite a good positive we thought out of the budget announcements today. But I was very, very pleased about the industrial strategy and, of course, Made Smarter, and it continues funding. I mean, I had a call with the Chancellor this morning, and one of the points we discussed was that she was convinced about the importance of Made Smarter and was going to continue funding it. So there are some good points as well here, Nick. There's no doubt about it.